Hey there, welcome to our video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Windows 11 users face while using Microsoft Paint. So, picture this. You're working on a cool image with multiple layers in Paint, and when you try to save it, you get hit with a frustrating notification saying your layers will be flattened in the saved image. What problem, right? This happens regardless of whether you try to save the file as PNG, JPEG, BMP, or GIS. So, how on earth can you save an image in MS Paint without flattening your precious layers? Let's find out. In terms of a solution, unfortunately, as of now, there isn't a way to save your image in MS Paint without flattening your layers. Microsoft Paint, like many Microsoft apps, sometimes has features that are half-finished. While they did add layering capability, they forgot to include native formats like .psd, .xcf, or .pdn that would preserve your layers. The only formats you can save is .png, .jpg, the BMP, .gif, .tiff, and hike are all meant for plain raster graphics and display, not editing. It's a bit of a bummer, but hey, at least you can still create some awesome artwork in Paint. In summary, for all you Paint enthusiasts out there, the unfortunate truth is that saving images with layers in MS Paint without flattening them is currently not possible. The limited file formats available are designed for display purposes and don't support layer preservation. So, next time you're working on Masterpiece in Microsoft Paint, just remember to embrace the layers before saving. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Stay creative, and see you in the next video.